Hello everybody, I'm Tyna from Brazilian International, and this is...
I'm Gareth, I'm also from Brazilian International, and welcome to you, our English learners.
Yes, welcome to another session of our video recordings, and today we're going to be working with confusing words.
Yes, I hope you are enjoying our collection of videos, which also include the last one, which was about the St. John's Festival. And let's roll the tape.
Affect is a verb. Affect. I'll give you an example. The explosion affected his hearing. Affect is written with an A. Affect.
Yeah, so as Tyna was saying, we're looking at two commonly confused words in English today, and they are affect and effect. So I'm going to be looking at the second one, which is effect with an E. Effect with an E is actually a noun. As an example, in a sentence, then you could say, if you took our WhatsApp class, then it would have a dramatic effect on your English. For more information on our WhatsApp class, then please visit our Instagram link at the bottom here. Now we're going to look if there are any actual differences in pronunciation in the word effect between British English and American English.
Okay, so now we're going to check on pronunciation, okay? I have an American accent, I'm American, and Gareth is British. So I say it like this, okay, Gareth? Let's see if there is a difference.
Okay.
Affect, the verb, and effect, the noun. Is there a difference with British English?
Well, let's see, shall we? So the first one with A is affect, and the one with an E is effect.
So there isn't much of a difference there. Thank you for watching our video. We hope this has been helpful and that you practice. Do some writing, some speaking, and let us know what you thought of it.
And also please do subscribe to our site as well so that you can follow our other tips as they come along. Bye.
Bye.